Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura Integra versus the Lexus IS. We'll start by looking at their performance. The Integra typically features a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, producing around 200 horsepower. In contrast, the Lexus IS offers more powerful options, including a 2.0-liter turbo with 241 horsepower and a 3.5-liter V6. We'll explore how these engines translate to acceleration and overall driving dynamics, along with their respective fuel efficiency ratings. Next, let's step inside and compare the interiors and technology. The Acura Integra presents a modern, driver-focused cockpit with intuitive controls and a clean aesthetic. The Lexus IS, on the other hand, emphasizes luxury with high-quality materials and a more refined cabin feel. We'll examine their infotainment systems, screen sizes, and the suite of driver assistance technologies each vehicle provides for safety and convenience. Now, let's consider practicality and overall value. The Acura Integra, with its hatchback design, offers excellent cargo versatility and flexible storage options. The Lexus IS, as a sedan, provides a more conventional trunk space. We'll delve into their starting prices across various trim levels, discuss warranty coverage, and estimate the long-term ownership costs to help you make an informed decision. Finally, let's talk about the driving experience and wrap things up. The Acura Integra delivers a nimble and engaging ride, often praised for its sporty handling. The Lexus IS offers a more refined and comfortable journey, balancing performance with luxury. Both cars cater to different preferences, and understanding these nuances is key. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.